Alright, what's up, y'all? It's Tony over here at STP Diesel with my boy Martin, pinche mechanic.
Hey, what's up?
And we got some upgrades for the F150. So right now it's got Longtube headers from the homies over here at Velocity. It's got the high flow cats, and then it's got the MBRP side exit. We wanted to step it up a notch. We're hoping we get a little bit more aggressive sound. So we went with the Corsa Extreme. The tips are fucking amazing. ¿Qué piensas, güey? ¿Están con madre o qué pedo?
Están con toda su madre.
Right? And what's badass is that these tips are almost like a gray, dark, metallic looking color, dude, and it matches the scheme with the truck, dude. So that's fucking badass. Hey. It comes with this pipe. Obviously, this is the pipe that's gonna pretty much, it's the bend for the side exit. And then we got the Corsa Extreme muffler right here. So y'all stay tuned. We finna install this real quick and we're gonna see how this thing sounds. Appreciate y'all. Alright, y'all, we just got done installing the Corsa Extremes. It's a nice quiet idle. Let's see how she sounds while we're rolling. Damn. We're gonna do a little hit right now. Let's see what she sounds like at wide open throttle. Motherfuckers sound good. Holy shit. What you think, Martin?
Oh, it sounds beautiful.
Damn. Yeah, this motherfucker sound good, man. And what's crazy, bro, is that there's no like excessive drone, just regular driving. Look, we're stopped, is idling, nothing crazy. I love this fucking truck. It is a little slow. We do gotta go twin turbos. Fuck what Benny says. We don't go twin turbos in this thing. We just gotta wait till tuning's available.
Yep.
I already seen a couple trucks that are twin turbo. They did some pulls on the 24, 25s, and they look kind of slow, man. It's kind of fucked up. Holy shit. Hell yeah, sounds good, dog. Boss man's out of town. He don't know I got the truck, but he gonna find out. God. Motherfucker sound good. Shit. Alright, y'all, we finna do an outside rolling video. We'll see what this sounds like.